Hi there beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Patrice and today I have another Walmart haul for you. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. Alright, let's jump right into it. So the first item I have is this Time and True Women's Tote Avery bag. This one runs for $28.98 and it comes in 3 different colors and I love this. So this is the color I got, which is this off-white and brown color. It does have double straps right here. It has this flap for closure and it is quite large, guys. It does also have an inner pocket that's open, then it has a zipper one, but it is so roomy. You can throw everything you want into this. This is perfect for a carry-on, for the airports. You can throw a lot of things in this bag. If you are a mom, but you do not have like a baby, so you don't need a whole lot of things, maybe just a change of outfit, some wipes, things of that nature. This is also a good in-between type bag, but yeah, the black one is great, and then they have this other blue denim looking one. Chef's kiss, yeah. All right, so next up we have this muscle tee from the Disney brand. So Walmart sells Disney items. Yeah, it's this black muscle tee. The sleeves are cut off, which makes it a muscle tee, but just a simple t-shirt that says Sunshine Pro on the front, and then you have the one and only Mickey Mouse on here. And I just love this for the summertime. Black is definitely trending right now for the summer. So I just wanted this one because I saw it and it was fun, and I just wanted it. It is $9.98, I believe, and it runs from a size small to a size, I want to say 2 or 3X. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, love this little number. I went ahead and I styled this with this maxi skirt that I have with some flip-flops. And yeah, I think it's a very nice way to do something different for the summer, So a t-shirt with a maxi skirt. Tell me what y'all think. Do y'all think it passed the vibe check? Yes or no? Alright, so you know that summer is meant for dresses, and Time and True has some of the best dresses at Walmart. So the next one we have up is this Time and True tiered spaghetti strap dress, and I love this one, right? So it's $24.98. It comes in 4 different colors and it runs from a size extra small to a 3XL. Now it does sport these adjustable spaghetti straps. It does have more of a scoop neckline. Also in the back, it's kind of scoop as well. It does also have this tiered detail going down, and it does have side functional pockets. It is a pull-on style, and it has more of a, flowy A-line style, and I love this. So I went ahead, styled this just with some nude sandals, a nice little nude bag, and some lovely earrings that I got from Shein. And I think this is a nice, simple summer look. What do you think? You like it, huh? Love, love, love this one. All right, so next up we have this little number from Madden NYC, and it is this halter top dress. It is currently running at $19, runs from an extra small to a 3XL, and I am here for it. It is made from 100% polyester, and it is a bit stretchy, so in this one you might want to size down. Now, again, it has this halter top, so the neck is a little bit more squared, then it goes over the shoulders, and it has an adjustable tie in the back. I do love the cut on this one. It is quite flattering. You want to show some shoulders and a little bit of clavicle. It's a moment, it's a moment. And then it has this full wrap detail at the bottom, and it is also lined. Now, I don't know if you can see it properly on camera, but yeah, it comes in 2 different colors, and one thing you want to note about this dress is it's going to snag a lot. Just trying it on, I got it snagged twice. It is very stretchy again, so you might want to size down, but I don't think this is going to last a long time because you could walk and brush against a wall, it's going to snag. It is, no. So you might get a couple of wears out of this. I don't think it will wash well either. I don't know. This one, buy at your own risk. It is $19 though, so I think it's affordable. If you get 3 wears out of it, I think you might get your money's worth, but that's just something to note. But it is very, very cute. I went ahead and styled this with, I think, some lilac, lavender heels that I got, and then this multicolored drop earrings that I got from Shein. So yeah, do love this for the summer. Nice little white dress, but again, I don't know if it's going to hold up. But yeah, that's it for this. All right, next up is probably my least favorite, which is sad because it is the prettiest of this haul, okay? And it is the Free Assembly lightweight sweater dress, okay? It is $28, yep, and it runs from an extra small to a 3XL and comes in 3 different colors. So it does sport this U-neck type deal, neckline. It does have a thick strap, so it is bra friendly. It does have 3 tiered colors, and I love it. And it's more of a midi length. I love, love, love that. Now, my actual issue with this dress is that when you put it on and it stretches, because it's extremely stretchy, it gets thin. And then you can see my undergarments through it. I wore nude undergarments, and you can still kind of see it, especially through the top portion where the lighter color is. And that, I don't like that. Again, it is very, very lightweight, as it said, but if you do not wear shapewear under this, we're going to be seeing all the lumps and bumps, unless you got one of them fit figures, you know, which I ain't got, because at my big age, I ain't got that anymore. But I want to love it because it actually looks pretty decent on. But again, it's going to show all your lumps and bumps and rolls and imperfections. So yeah, and then again, with the stretching and the see-throughness, I don't know. So purchase this one at your own risk. It is pretty. I'll give it that. That's all I'll give it. Yeah. Okay, so this next dress is going to be my second favorite dress of this haul, and it is this free assembly wide strap dress, okay? It is $22, comes in 4 different colors, and runs from an extra small to a 3XL, and I'm here for it! It's this bad boy right here. I love the contrasting colors, those, you know. And it is a bit shorter. It's a mini dress. It has more of an A-line type fit, so it's not too hugging. I love it. Now, it does have, again, this U-neck, this yucca neckline. It does have a keyhole detail or keyhole peephole in the back. And then it does have a 1-button closure. Again, this was actually shorter than I expected it to be, but I don't think it's that bad. Now, you also might want to size down in this one because I'm usually a small and I got in an extra small and it fit okay. Unless you want it a little bit longer, then you might have to go up a size. But I do love this little number. The material, the fabric, very, very good quality. Hold on, let me see what material this is. Oh, it's a cotton polyester blend. So it is 87% cotton and 13% polyester. Here for it, okay? Love, love, love this one. Now, I did go ahead and style this, you know, to further add colors. I went ahead and styled this with some green shoes, a green bag, and some green earrings. Now, I know my green earrings did not match the bag and the shoes, but it's what I got, okay? Don't judge your girl, okay? It's what I got. I'll probably try to find some earrings that will match better. But for now, that's what I have, okay? Don't judge your girl. But I do love, love, love this little look. Alright, so next we have my absolute favorite dress of this haul, yeah. And it is this free assembly tie neck halter dress. It is $36. It comes in 2 different colors. I can't even talk to how excited I am about this dress, okay? It comes in 2 different colors, runs from an extra small to a 3XL. And I love it. So this one you also might want to size down in because it does run a little bit big and it has a tiny bit of stretch in it. Just a smidge. But I'm here for it. I love it. Now, it does, again, have this tie neck detail, halter at the top, and then it is backless. It does have more of a smock. Ooh, I hope you can see this. A smock bodice, so a little bit of stretch in the back of the top part, and then it has a zipper closure, so that's how you get in and out of it. It is a slim fit kind of silhouette, so it goes down kind of straight, and I love, love, love this little number, okay? It is 100% cotton, so it is nice and durable, and you can iron it and wash it, and it won't shrink. Yeah, you can tell how excited I am about this dress, right? I went ahead and started with some red earrings and red shoes. I think it was red that I accessorized it with, and I love it. Ugh. I love this little number. If you can find this at Walmart, I know it's still available online. In stores, maybe not so much, but if you can find this, pick it up. It is a very, very good dress. And this one you can actually layer when it comes time for fall, because if you get it in the black, you'll be fine. Just throw on a blazer or a leather jacket or anything. It is such a good versatile piece that you can dress up or down. I can see myself rocking this with some knee-high or thigh-high boots with a very good jacket or blazer over it, even a sweater or a cardigan. Baby, the opportunities with this dress, I am here for it. I love, love, love this one so much. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. Short and sweet, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!